Welcome to the new Häfele service world, Service Plus. Why Service Plus? We have listened to our customers and learned that they require services that make their day-to-day work much easier. In addition to the Häfele standard services, such as detailed drawings in the catalog The Complete Häfele, CAD data, or reliable delivery. That's why we have now developed the Service Plus offer, which integrates into your processes according to your needs, just as an additional team member. At the very beginning of the process is your customer's idea. Service Plus provides you with inspiration and knowledge, for example in our showrooms, at trade fairs and in the new Häfele Academy. This is followed by the planning phase. Experience has shown that there are many questions, especially about light and lighting control. Service Plus takes care of the lighting design for your individual project. For example, using our system and assembly planning service for looks. Now it's time for manufacturing. Customized, of course. Service Plus takes over the production of your customized drawers or looks linear lights, as well as the individual labeling of your products. There's also a lot to do during installation and at customers' premises, and always something unexpected. Service Plus offers an after-sales service for lighting and electronic products. To do this, you simply sign a maintenance contract on behalf of your customer. So with Service Plus, we integrate ourselves into your operations according to your daily needs. If you have the knowledge and the time, you do everything yourself. If not, you can get active support from us. And last but not least, to give our new service a face, I would like to introduce the head of Service Plus. He organizes everything in the background and is there whenever you need him, as part of your team. He will now introduce himself as well as some of his first services. So have fun with him.
Thank you. Very nice, Mrs. Tior. So, I guess I'll take it from here. And I will give you a little more detail on the topic of Service Plus. As you will see in a moment, we have taken our Plus services and divided them into 4 areas along your work process. That means from the inspiration to the planning and production, all the way to assembly. So, here we go. Here at Service Plus Knowledge, it's all about inspiration. And, as the name suggests, sharing specialist knowledge. Prepared quickly, efficiently, and professionally by our Häfele experts. The keyword is the Häfele Academy. Or you can find out how new opportunities are being created through the use of new technologies, with the motto, Fit for the Future. What this is all about, we'll hear from Mr. Kohler.
Thank you. I'll be happy to do so. I would like to introduce you to the light seminars of our Häfele Academy in more detail. Light is now not only an integral part of furniture construction, light in furniture can also make an important contribution to the atmosphere of a room or even be an essential part of intelligent room control. How to use light in a profitable way, how to install it, and how to network it. That's what you learn in our lighting seminars, which are specifically tailored to the needs of carpenters and joiners and have a high practical component, suitable for both beginners and professionals who want to go one step further. You can find all information about the Häfele Academy on our website.
Welcome to Service Plus Planning, where we provide you with support in your individual planning, above all in the field of lighting. You send us your ideas, and our experts will do the rest. Motto: implementing ideas faster. And now, Mr. Omenhäuser will tell you about a very special service. Over to you, Mr. Omenhäuser.
Yes, indeed. With our system and assembly planning service for Lux, we offer you a plus service, which makes it even easier and faster for you to implement your lighting projects. We support you in challenging lighting projects by helping you select the right Lux components and by having our lighting experts check your already planned lighting concept. In addition to competent advice, you will receive ready-to-use parts lists as well as a complete installation plan with individual assembly instructions, and therefore benefit from the time savings in planning your lighting project.
Saving time is at the core of Service Plus Customized. Whatever you don't have to build or assemble yourself saves time. And exactly this is the idea behind Service Plus Customized. Here, we are talking about ready-to-use components that we assemble and install for you according to your exact specifications, even for a batch size of 1. Motto: outsource instead of doing yourself. As for the currently available services, Ms. Hinderjock will now give you more details.
Well then, we not only supply you with pre-assembled complete drawers in almost all possible variations, but also matching vanished fronts, completely individual for your kitchen, made of steel, solid wood or MDF, and that in perfect handcrafted quality, precisely to your specifications. This also applies to our Lux linear lights, the combination of LED stripes and design aluminium profiles in the usual Häfele quality. You decide how your light will look in the end. You have less work to do and also save on storage costs of the single components. The best part, it all works from as little as one piece. You can easily configure complete drawer units and linear lights online. And we will do the rest for you, as part of your team.
Our motto at Service Plus Assist: keep the customer in the green zone. Here we support you not only with assembly and installation plans, but also with commissioning of lighting controls, or with the maintenance of our Dialogue locking system. But let's have Ms. Yumurtachi tell us a little bit more about that.
With pleasure. For electronic locking systems, for example in hotels, permanent functional reliability and availability is an essential factor. That is why we have to put together customized maintenance packages for our Dialogue system, from preventive on-site maintenance to round-the-clock service 7 days a week. A worldwide network of Dialogue experts is on standby to ensure smooth operations of the systems at all times, so that you and your customers can sleep soundly. By the way, this all-round carefree package can also be extended to your light solutions equipped with Häfele products, so that you are always in the right light with your customers.
So, now you have a good idea of what Service Plus is all about. A concept designed to help you make your processes more efficient so that you can concentrate on your core business. And one thing you should save above all else: time. We would be delighted to be part of your team. Let us tackle all of the current challenges together. Then, we'll see you next time. Take care.